You're doing everything correctly. You avoid needless debt. You save what you can, and you carefully plan your budget. Everyone says you're good with money. Wow. What if I told you that the only thing preventing you from achieving true wealth is that you are good with money? In this video, we'll look at why your responsible behaviors might be preventing you from reaching your full financial potential, and how a small mental adjustment can lead to greater financial freedom. You feel both stuck and responsible for your finances. Your dreams of true wealth seem to be getting farther away as you watch your savings grow slowly. You're following all the guidelines, giving up little pleasures, and worrying about every penny, but you're not making the significant, thrilling progress you had hoped for. The hidden cost of the outdated good with money rules is that you feel like you're stuck on a treadmill, running hard but not getting anywhere. Now, don't misunderstand. Saving money and creating a budget are not bad things. Like learning the traffic laws before you drive, they're actually the fundamental basis. However, what if you are a driver who only ever used first gear? You wouldn't get anywhere quickly, but you'd be safe. It takes more than just staying safe in first gear to be genuinely good with money. It's about learning to advance, to stop merely safeguarding your money and start growing it strategically without taking unwarranted risks. That's how you become a wealth builder instead of a money manager. Let's dispel the three most common mental fallacies. Point 1 is safety versus growth. The first limiting belief is that savings accounts are the safest place to keep your money. Although it seems safe, inflation is a secret issue. Your money is worth a little less each year. In actuality, you're gradually losing money. The change is to start investing wisely instead of just saving. Maintain a safety net for unexpected expenses, but invest your long-term funds in assets that have the potential to grow and create genuine wealth for the future, such as inexpensive index funds. Point 2 is debt fear versus debt understanding. Believing that all debt is bad is the second trap. You may be severely hindered by this fear. Knowing the difference is crucial. Credit card debt with high interest rates is bad because it depletes your wealth. However, good debt is different, such as a student loan for a high-paying skill or a low-interest mortgage for a rental property. It's a tool. You're borrowing money to buy something that will increase in value or boost your earnings. The change is straightforward. Learn how to use smart debt as a financial tool instead of being afraid of all debt. Point 3 is scarcity versus abundance. A scarcity mindset is the third and last trap. At this point, your only concern should be reducing by skipping coffee, cutting coupons, and worrying about minor costs. However, the amount of money you can save is limited. Rather, adopt an attitude of abundance. This implies that you concentrate on raising your income. How can I make an additional $500 this month, you ask? You might start a side business, freelance, or pick up a new skill for a raise. This is the quickest route to actual financial growth, and your earning potential is limitless. Let's review. It takes more than fear and restriction to be genuinely good with money. It has to do with growth and strategy. Recall the three changes, from merely cutting expenses to actively increasing your income, from fearing all debt to using it sensibly, and from merely saving to wise investing. It's time to build on the foundation you have already established. Build your wealth instead of just managing it. You can make it happen. Do this next if you were intrigued by this new perspective on money. In order to help the channel, please click the like button below. After that, tell me in the comments which of these three shifts you plan to try first. Lastly, enable notifications and sign up for Monetive. Our next video will walk you through the easy first steps to begin investing, but we're just getting started. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.